LinkedIn accounts created? Everyone? Naukri? Created, right? Okay. Then I will tell you what you need to do there. Okay. First accounts creation done, right? Okay. Let me share my screen. What about online team? Waiting for any good day to create accounts? Today is not good. Tomorrow is good. Yeah, yeah. So from today onwards, as I said yesterday, you can give online interviews. Okay. So from this batch, what I'm planning, yes, I will divide 4 teams. One team will ask interview question to second team. Only interview questions. Okay. So my plan is divide team A, team B, team C, team D. Every Saturday, 2 hours time. Team A will ask team B. Team B will ask team A. 1 hour, 2 hours. Same CD also. Let me know that week the questions what you ask, whatever voice is not resounding, I'm talking like that only. Okay. Resound. Resound. Huh? Anyway. Echo. Huh? Okay. Say bye to Echo now. Okay. Team A. Okay. Observe very clearly what I'm. Yeah. Bye bye Echo. Guess I don't have any plans till here. The plans will come automatically when I'm here only. I don't have any. So tomorrow I want to apply this plan to this team. I want to discuss this topic to team. I don't know what I'm going to discuss till here only. Okay. Now Maven is done, right? I don't have any plans to start which process now. Next, I don't know. Understand? So now the this concept not yet implemented. Okay, that's what I'm implementing here. We'll see if it will success. Same concept will implement for upcoming batch, not for existing batch. No copy paste. 10:30 is different process, 7:30 is different process, 9 a.m. is different process. We'll see which process will work, will give a good result. But guys, when I implement anything, na, please be honest. That process means this is for your career. Okay. Team A. Someone can please take initiative. Team A, Team B, like this. Again, Econa. No, not at all possible. The names we can. My voice is clear? Yes, perfect. This is very important process, guys, for your career only. How you can plan, na? For example, today, this week is Terraform test series is the time, right? What you can plan, take a Terraform. So Terraform week, something, whatever you can put. So here, here 150 members are there. I know who will give the names. Anyway, see, you just ignore the number count. Team A, 5 members also no problem. Team B, 5 members also no problem. Team C, 2 members also no problem. Team D, 1 member also no problem. Understand? Sir, 150 members there, na, sir. Only 30 members came. Leave them. Understand? There is a quote, right? So many quotes are there. We can just apply the process. Understand or not? Who can follow, they can get some benefit only. Okay? Yeah. Don't disappoint by seeing the number always. In this case, 7:30 batch started 5 months back. Offline strength is 45 members. Online strength is one or two members. Now offline strength is about to complete in 3 days. Offline strength is 2 members only coming. Still my process go like that only. 45 members are there. I will explain different ways. 2 members are there. It's not like that. The chairs are there, right? Chairs are my students only. I can consider like that only, not for members. 1, 2, 3, 4 doesn't care. My process is same. Even last class, first class also, no changes. Okay. So you also don't disappoint by seeing the numbers and all. Yeah, there are some problems. Others, they are following the recordings first 2 weeks, first 1 month. Everyone is new these concepts. After that, they can easily understand. They can follow online classes only. This is the process everywhere will follow. Okay, you don't disappoint by seeing the other things. Okay, team A, for example, 10 members gathered. Same team B also 10 members. Just I'm giving like this only, the numbers, it will change. Okay, the concept is, I'm conducting a test. So you are replying back, this is the my answer sheet, something explanation. Okay, that's fine. But virtual entry is very important. Face-to-face entry or virtual entry, whatever it is, very important. Okay, test series fine to gain the knowledge. So what you are going to do from today, team A, team B. Okay. Okay. So straightforward questions, 1 to 1, like these 2 members can join in one Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting. Okay. And now these 10 members, see, each person ask 1 hour continuously interview. 1 hour. Duration is 1 hour, not questions. First 1 hour, team A always ask the question to team B only. First 1 hour. The time you can change, guys. I'm not saying 30 minutes also fine. Based on the members. 1 hour. For example, team A always asks questions to team B. Topic is what? For example, Terraform. Okay. So team B always try to give answer what team A is asking only. Okay. Don't ask any question to team A in this hour. Next, your time will come, right? Team B time will come. Now you can encounter with them with your questions. Understand now? And now make a list, both team A and team B. Say which team get a good score. I want that. So, but team A plus team B decide and give the score and give a one name, 1 or 2 names who perform well. You know, right? 20 members, you know, right? Who perform well. Here, we are not going to give any gold medal and all. So, simply, this is for your reference. This is for your, practice. If someone is perform well now, next what you need to do? Ask to that guy, help me. I'm doing this kind of mistakes. We have a 2 months of time now. That's what you can rectify now. After done the course, no one is contact with you guys. This is my experience, I'm saying. Understand? So if something is, something is lagging in your end, try to rectify in these 2 months. Okay. I'm implementing so many things. If you are follow, okay. But don't give any suggestions. Scrap suggestions to me. Sir, can you implement like this? Can you implement like this? Yes, I'm implementing. If you are not follow, na, your wish. At the end of the class, sir, why can't you implement mock interviews? Why can't you implement interview questions? I'm giving already. Understand what I'm trying? Yep, the previous batch also, I have implemented so many things. But when asked, give any suggestions, whatever I implemented, again they're giving same suggestions. That is not at all correct. Give different suggestions. What I'm not implementing here. Clear? Here Terraform test series I conducted, Git test series I conducted. These are entry questions. As a trainer, I'm not okay to give directly put a heading interview questions. Not at all good. We are not in BTech degree, right? Interview questions, important questions, all-in-one questions. Interviewer can ask anything, right or not, based on your experience. How I can give interview questions to you? Topics I can give. If you practice the topics, you can clear any interview. Yesterday, see, I'm sharing interview questions, right? Any question is new to you? New to you? I mean, for example, yesterday I have shared one of the interview questions, right? Whatever topics I covered, the cover topics, you are able to answer those questions, right? For example, let's take here. I think yesterday I have shared few interview questions, right? You tell me, guys, just discuss a topic. Anything is new here? This is for 4 years, 5 years experience interview questions. You know what is state file locking? You know what is regional AZ differences? You know what is auto scaling and load balancer? You know what is VPC peering? How to migrate on-prem to VM into cloud? Already we discussed in the workshop. Difference between horizontal vertical scaling, what monitoring tools are used, how Terraform create connection with multiple clouds. Already discussed, right? Multiple clouds means profile will change and user credentials will change. We can use the hyphen profile, yeah. How Terraform create connect, yeah. What Azure services are used, about current project, create server and subnet one public and subnet private, how they communicate bash nodes. These are questions are very silly questions for us. What topics we learn now, these are not at all questions to trouble you, right or not? These are very silly questions. Yes. So many interest questions are like that only, guys. But we learn so many concepts, endpoints, bash and cloud agents, okay, inside, so many RDS replicas, so many things we learn, right? Yeah. See, no question will come. This is very clear. In your interview, no single question will come apart for that list. Whatever I discuss, the question should come in an interview. This is very clear. But don't learn like interview question. Learn like a concept. See, what is stateful locking? This is concept, not interview question. If you ask me to sir, share the interview questions, I can give where the stateful will locate like this. If I give you simply by heart the question. Understand? Concept is important. Clear what I'm trying to say? Yeah. But the second problem is, sir, the questions, everything I know, but I'm unable to explain. That's what this is. Clear now? So team A, team B. So I need the list the same weekend. Saturday, if you are connected, Sunday, I need the list from the team A, team B. Without any, whatever the things, partialities and something. Be honest, guys. Any work, if you can do, be honest. Otherwise, leave it. Only two. Don't do like that. Same, it will apply for CD. Give the list. Okay. This list again, I will conduct. I will schedule a call. I will conduct an interview. In this case, if you want to connect with me, whoever connected one to one with me for the mock interviews, they all got a job. Clear? So, if you want to come this stage, you perform well. Understand? This is my personal. I will take care this person's how to train interviews. So, no any separate gifts and all, whatever. So, if I give gifts and all, ChatGPT will come into the picture. Like this. Every week. So, you have to do it. Clear now? So, and team A, team B, team A, team B, team C, team D. Here, the way you are asking questions, right? Only cover topics. Don't check in Google difficult Terraform questions like that. Don't do it, please. From our concepts, take the scenario. Questions also very important. Check in the Google chat GPT, give very difficult questions on Terraform. I need to ask to team B. Don't search like that. That's what I'm saying. Be honest. Take the concepts and discuss. Okay, how we are understanding the concept. We can prepare 2-3 questions from that. The logical questions. Clear now? Yeah. So this week Saturday, you need to be scheduled the team Zoom meetings and all. All should be recorded if possible. I think recording option is not there for free tire. Okay, anyway, no problem. That's what I need. Otherwise, I'll inform to Naveen to join with you also. Just monitoring purpose. Okay. Yeah. So now, clear this concept what I'm explaining. So now I'm saying to team A or team B, team C, team D, if you ask any question, don't ask silly questions. What is Terraform init, plan, apply and all. Ask little difficult questions. Difficult question is concept wise questions. If stateful is not there in remote, tell me what will happen. You know stateful is not there, something you know the answer but unable to explain. No problem. Explain as an interview. Okay? Yeah. Team A, team B, both are in same Zoom. Team C, team D, both are in same Zoom meeting. Same time also, no problem. And give the list who perform well from the team A, team B. Finally, which team also perform well and I want the information. Same team C, team D. So after that, I will arrange again one more interview with these two guys, whoever perform well here. Okay. And whoever filter here, please take care of whoever lag in these interviews. Clear? Practice 2 months, guys, like this. Believe me, if any interview is there, you can see your confidence at that time. If you start after 2 months like a fresh again, it will take 3 months to understand that you can start now. Okay? Yeah. So now give the names. I will divide team A, team B, team C, team D random only. Okay? Give the names in the 9 a.m. I'll just check with Naveen. Open Telegram group. Thanks, Bhargavi. Nice. No, Telegram group only, not in this chat. So that we will divide. Yeah. Only one person? No. In Telegram group, don't raise hands and all. See, whatever it is, few classes to complete, whatever you learn in the class attending also fine, right? Whoever interested, I'm not forcing to anyone. Whoever interested only, please give the names. So, same random we can take team A, team B, team C, team D by Naveen. This is little interesting, guys. And better don't create any separate groups. Your wish, but again, problem. So, okay, in that case, Naveen will create a meeting. Share the Zoom link here. Okay. Team A group link, team B group link. I mean, same group link for team A, team B, same group link for team C, team D also. And please don't ask me, sir, I'm going to the team B group. My friend is there. I'll go to team C. My C is lucky number. See this person, Naresh, previous batch. He is having 6 years career gap. Okay. He's given 16 to 17 interviews. Almost 6 to 7 interviews clear, but the problem is BGP only. Non-IT person, career gap student. He follow all the sessions. His problem is only background verification. See, technically proved. All interest technically. Yesterday only he called me, sir. What should I do? Technically, I'm able to create any interview, sir. But the problem is background verification. So, but he is clearing all MNC companies only. That's what the problem. I informed him yesterday. Try different companies, not MNC companies, for just 2 to 3 years. Later, you can switch to MNC companies. Okay. And please give names today only. Tomorrow, admin to C group, admin to B group. We are busy. Please understand. Yeah. Wait. Thinking, can I give or not? Friday is holy. Saturday is holiday, right? If team A may ask, not join the call, anything is happen like that. Okay, no problem. Thanks for your interest. I will show you the better result. Follow my instructions. Yes. Okay. Friday holiday. No holiday. Morning, who will celebrate Holi? Huh? Colors also not available. Shops also closed this time. Huh? Yeah. See this person. PF Form 16 problems. He cleared. So many interests he cleared. Cognizant, Wipro, TCS. Hmm? Hmm. No. PF is different. Complete PF. See, your wish. The amount, what amount you need to be deducted, that your option PF. Hmm. How much percentage you ask? No, percentage. Previous company to next company, how much percent you ask? 100. No problem, they will give. Depends on the company, see. Depends on the requirement, depends on the skill set, but definitely they will give 100% is not a big amount. If your package is 10 lakhs, they will give 20. Python market is not good, but cloud DevOps market is too good. But only Python, as I said, right? Only Python package is very less. No doubt. If you add in your skill set DevOps only, multi-cloud kind of things only, you can ask 100%. How you can show? They may ask they may ask in your BJV current pay slips. You may edit. But if they ask bank statement, also edit. If they ask conduct a meeting and show your bank statement live, this is problems are there in TCS and these companies. They will ask in live to open the bank account. You know one thing, my friend said, I don't have bank account. Okay, I'll come to your bank. He came to bank along with him. He went before they had requested to SBI. SBI, they won't listen, right? Government banks, right? If someone will come, please do something. No, they won't listen. Hmm? See, if you if you interview schedule, go to LinkedIn first. Search the company. The process, what we do actually. And give a request to someone where in that company anyone is working. I want to talk to you regarding some. So you can ask, what is the process actually? Don't really reveal your name and all something. My friend is looking, something like that. Say, if you say, for example, any BGV strong means he will go and inform. immediately. One person ping me. He is asking about BCV. So take care. So that's what better ask your friend, not you. Check with the details clearly. Okay, what I'm trying to say, understand, right? If you ask, I am from this background, I'm increasing my salary in the PF and something, their salary is very less, right? If you say my salary is less compared to me, his experience is less, he's trying to join in my company, what, this is not at all good, let me inform to my manager. He'll go on inform someone is already shortlisted, second round also is supposed to join here, his salary is expecting like that, he's doing something. This is happen everywhere, guys. The team persons are like that only. Take care. Instead of asking by you, ask to your friend to check with. Simple. You are not exposed to your that person, right? This is the process what you need to follow better. Okay. Only this kind of only ask. Don't ask any facilities are there directly. Mm. The things, guys, these are very important things. Okay. In one of my friend also, same. He ping. No, 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 you will get it. You may ping too. See, boys ping to boys only in the LinkedIn. Understand? You will get response quickly. LinkedIn always professionals are there, right? They are busy. Ping 2, 3 times. Raise a request. I mean, not one person. 6, 7 persons. You can just raise a request. Someone can easily accept. Otherwise, second option is what? Go to company directly. Wait in front of gate. If someone is coming, wait, 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 wait. Like that. See, job is important, guys. We have to take care of all the things. Yeah. Except TCS, you can go to any company, no problem. TCS, they will come to bank also. Hmm? I don't know. Infosys and Wipro, I don't think so. Maybe. Cognizant also. Bank statement are live or copy? PDF you can edit, right? Live, if they ask live, only problem will come. Before editing, take care. Huh? You are editing only number. Letters also there, right? Changing the number and forgetting the before. The words. Okay. Again, once you do any editing, send to your friend. Check. Are you able to find out something in this? No, then send to company. What's scary? If everything, if you are genuine, no one can give, right? So sometimes no problem. If you believe you can justice for that salary, what company is going to give, you can ask anything. This is your right. But if you don't have any knowledge, if you are still thinking on salary, means somewhere you are in the trouble. These two statements, fake offer letter. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Experienced people, please ping me if you are having any questions, how to modify the resume, how to, how to ask more package. I know very well. That's what I'm saying. So you can ping me. I will give some suggestions. If you are like those suggestions, you can follow. I will give the solution for 3 months notice period. What you need to do. I will give the solution to increase your salary 100%. If your package is 15, I will give the solution to how to ask the package 30 lakhs also 15 to 30 also I will ask, and how to modify my skill set. For example, I'm the developer, I'm the tester, I'm the system administrator, I'm the non IT but working in IT companies. How to show my experience as a DevOps experience, you can ping me. I'm a teacher, how to manage the experience also ping me. Like that. So please introduce yourself first in the message. Hi. Instead of saying hi, just this is the name. I'm looking for this help. Just give all the messages so that when I'm free, I'll see and I'll give the reply. First, you can give hi, Veera, good morning. I will give good morning after some time. Again, Veera, have a question. I will give an answer for after one day. Better give all the whatever you are looking from me. I will check all the things and give in one reply. Better. Easy communication. Okay. Yeah. I'm a fresher. What to do? Also, you can ping me. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Lavanya. I have a question. If developers are using Maven automation tool to develop, then will install Maven in Jenkins? Or if the developers are using Gradle project, then we need to, yeah, installation is there any rocket science? Yeah, you see guys, server inside activities, you are the responsible. Understand? So developers will give the code and you need to deploy, both work together if something issues are coming in the application level. For example, yeah, career gap also. Ping me, Amma, no problem. And for example, yesterday, from the last 3 days, I'm facing one issue. Load balancer target group unhealthy. Whenever auto scaling group creating a new servers, you can explain this process also. For example, in your interview, guys, one more question. Sorry, I forget that. From today onwards, you can practice in your book. Explanation of your role is very important. Tell me, explain your what I mean, how your day will start. This is common question. I mean, every day, how your day will start means morning alarm will ring. Same, don't they like that? Huh? My TL will give the tasks every day, or I will get the tickets from the ServiceNow or Jira. I will assign myself if no one can assign, and then I will start work and try to complete the same day itself only. This is the day will start. Don't say about your day. I mean your personal day. Hmm? Should we mention Maven Tom? You can mention anything if you know that. Okay. So developer job is to hand over the code to you. How you can run, how you can manage high availability, that's your responsibility. Clear na? So yeah, what I said, we got some issue yesterday, right? Unhealthy, target group unhealthy. So we are looking every 2 hours why this is unhealthy. So in target group unhealthy, to check the logs, we can see the target group unhealthy, when it will trigger, when it will stop only. But exactly what happened inside, we don't know until log in the server. Whatever path you are giving in the target group unhealthy, you can log in the server, check the path, test the path by giving curl and something. Okay, but the problem is we have a threshold, right? Unhealthy, healthy thresholds are there, right? Healthy thresholds, the set point is 2. Unhealthy threshold set point also 2. And time interval is 30 seconds. Okay, every 30 seconds it will ping and get the response from the application, right? But what exactly happened? Auto scaling group create a servers, right? Auto scaling group creating a servers, but what they did, launch template is there now. Launch template inside user data also they have added. That user data, how it will work now? After creating a server, that user data will run inside the server, right or not? What will happen whenever server will create now? Target group start the health checks for the server. Water path they have given, but the path will give response after installation. Prerequisites are done only inside the server. Prerequisites are taking more time to install inside the server. But target group unhealthy threshold we have given 2, right? Meanwhile, it start the unhealthy. First time, second time, 60 seconds after that application still not at install at the time. So by default it is giving unhealthy. But after some time, application is healthy, right or not? But unhealthy time, what will happen to maintain the desired state? Instance is deleted and again creating. These challenges we are facing actually. To find out that, We don't have EC2 access to check actually. Customer is not given any EC2 access to us to check. How to find out then? Very difficult, right? Anyway, so what we did, what we did, we have just, no, the EC2 server is there now, right? Whatever EC2 server is creating, simply what we did, we are creating a snapshot of the volume. Inside a AMI we are creating, and we created one EC2 instance and attached that, and we are trying to understand how much time it is taking to run application. It is taking more than 130-140 seconds to install application. Meanwhile, it is giving a unhealthy. So we inform application issue, it's not our response. Application dependencies you are creating inside EC2 also. You should take care this AMI itself also, not after instance creation. AMI inside, if you added everything, so that the challenges will not come. For example, Git is required, Terraform is required, Jenkins is required. Install first and create AMI, right or not? But there, these dependencies they're adding at the time of creation EC2 through auto scaling. It will take time, right, to install. So this is the problem. So their configuration is mistake. So simply we inform application issue. We no need to take care of what application it is also not. See, they are giving path only, right? We don't know which application, Java, Python, we don't know. No need to look on it also. Simply message application issue, that's it. So you no need to think Maven, Gradle, Apache, Python, whatever it is. Our responsibility is server able to withstand or not. If not, issue is in server and application. Find out and inform. Clear what I'm trying to say? They haven't tested application before. That's what the problem is. Yeah. Yeah, modify the AMI. Those dependencies you can handle through AMI only. Otherwise, no, not possible means we can increase the set point. Unhealthy threshold, we can increase 4 to 5. Time delay 30 seconds to 200 seconds, we can increase. So system can wait some time till install the applications. Yeah, correct. AMI. AMI also there. Plus dependencies also adding. This is a problem. So as soon the possibilities are, we can give control all the thing AMI itself only. So that instance easily can create the number of dependencies can reduce. Okay. For example, Git, Terraform, everything is there. Install and create AMI. Git is install creating AMI. I need Terraform also. Okay, Terraform install after creating EC2 means dependencies, right? The Terraform also you can handle in AMI itself only, right? That too, those are Windows servers. I don't know what is Windows server also. How it will work. Not only me. AWS support person also yesterday said, I don't know how to work with Windows server. These are very legacy applications. 10 years back, 15 years back. Why customer is not migrate to Linux? How to handle this situation? We have Nginx, right? There is no Nginx process for Windows. Separate process, ISS process. I don't know what is that also. So a lot of challenges. For example, CloudWatch agent is running or not. Simply we can go systemctl status CloudWatch agent, right? Windows process is not like that. We need to write a big bash script to understand if agent is running or not. That's what Windows no one is using. My customer, only one customer is using from the last 15 years. We are recommended, change immediately. There we'll see later only. So the problem, the Python Java developers I'm giving evening just basics for 15 days. They're saying that Windows explain in Windows only every time. They're not at all happy in the Linux, but they don't know the truth, right or not? Does anywhere using Windows in the projects? No, right? They should understand first. They're not understanding. No, we need Windows only, not Linux. If developers are saying no need Linux means how they can add the dependencies in their code? Windows dependencies, if they add, what will happen? Right or not, my guys? Guys, you tell me, any working professionals are here? You? Anyone here? You? So which servers are using more? Linux only, right? But 300 students, I'm giving training AWS basics. 300 members saying same story. Sir, please explain in Windows. Please explain in Windows. Please explain in your laptop only. Don't open cloud, sir. They're worrying more. But the truth is what? If they get job, if they say same thing, first day itself they will come back only. If you write a Python code, guys, the Python code has to run on Linux server. So you need to add Linux dependencies or Windows dependencies. But they're still asking me to explain in Windows. They're not understanding the situation now. Windows not at all recommended. As I said, 90 accounts, 89 accounts using Linux only. One person or customer only using Windows. The customer Signet Insurance, I think. Yeah. So I'm working one of the customer, Signet Insurance Group. This customer is using Windows. Yesterday the site is down because of that. So we spent till 12:15 night. We rectified and now working fine. This is a problem. The background auto scaling group running all our monolithic application, no microservices. That too. Yeah. So this is the like that. So many customers we are working. JD Sports. Yeah. This one also. All are UK based companies. This one also we are doing. These many countries. So sports regarding is very famous one in UK. And will you give okay, let's go to that the concept. Yeah, I'm going to explain SonarQube installation part. I will show tomorrow. SonarQube. So SonarQube. Okay, we'll plan certifications. We'll plan. I have a solution for that also, don't worry. I will share the dumps and all whatever you require. SonarQube. Okay. Yeah. Anyone knows what is SonarQube? Hmm? Code quality. So code quality analyzer. Kubernetes admin is the last one. Kubernetes admin is a little difficult one compared to all the DevOps certifications that is done. Okay. So guys, the coming topics, Docker and Kubernetes, very important. As I said, I will create a very good impact on Docker and Kubernetes. Like, I think you are happy with Terraform right now. You can see any project you are able to understand, 75% any project you are able to understand. Once you do practice, well, it will take time. I'm not expecting from you, guys. I have explained 16 days. I need result 100% from you. Not at all possible. For me also, I spent 3 months time. Still I'm doing. Yes, I can understand. But why I'm saying that at least you may, you know, Terraform everyone will clear. Yes. So my suggestion certifications. First is AWS. Go for practitioner. Entry level. Entry level only. Very easily you can clear, by the way. You can easily clear. Okay. Practitioner means here. Let me show you here. Three certificates actually. Certifications. One is for practitioner and associate level and professional level. Okay, you can go for Yeah. Cloud practitioner and cloud solution architect and cloud professional. Image, yeah, correct, correct. So this is Credly, guys. Credly, if you clear any certification, na, you are able to see directly here. If you give this link, na, if you log in here, all certificates Credly will give that history. Your certification is history. So yeah, go to images. You can see here. Hmm. So first is practitioner. Okay. And next is what? Here you can divide. Yeah, foundational. This you can do. Easily you can do. And next is what here? Associate level. Solution architect, sys operations, sysops administrator, developer. So developer means main developer services. Okay. Architect means high level, all services will cover here. Sysop system operations administrator. And this is professional, solution architect, DevOps engineer professionals. Here, in these two areas will cover DevOps tools more. Understand? In these two areas. Here only cloud services, not any DevOps services. The combination of these two, if you clear, you can go for DevOps engineer professionals, AWS DevOps engineer professional. This is only AWS solution architect professional. My suggestion, go this, then go this, then go this. The reason we are not seeing AWS managed DevOps tools. We are seeing DevOps on all clouds. Okay? Yeah. Jenkins pipeline is there, right? Third party tool on AWS, Azure, GCP, we can see. But AWS separate Jenkins pipeline also there. The name is AWS code pipeline. Understand? But if you go for this, they will ask questions on AWS code pipeline, not on Jenkins. But code pipeline is not popular. Understand? GitLab CI/CD is popular, third party tools, free of cost. These are chargeable. So this is the way. Understand? What other AWS? First clear AWS guys, please. Anyone AWS, anyone cloud is enough. AWS, Azure, GCP, if you clear all the certifications, your company put a lot of expectations on you. You need to, yeah, after cloud, go for Terraform. Okay. Yeah. And then still if you have 1 month time, then go for Kubernetes. Kubernetes is not optional based questions like Terraform on cloud. Kubernetes simply they will give environment. 16 scenarios they will give. I got 16 scenarios. Scenario 1, deployment is not working. Scenario 2, implement some different security. Scenario 3, like that they will give. No options. You can just log in the environment, rectify this issue and submit. Second, log in this environment, rectify this issue and submit. Not possible to do any, the kind of fake and all, not at all possible here. If you can show your screen to someone also, they not understand what you are doing. Okay. But AWS Terraform, maybe someone can help. Even it's very strict, guys. Examinations are. The room inside, they will not allow water bottle also. Okay. Only laptop, mouse. That's it. Online only. You need to show entire room. The room should be empty. The room should be empty. Not allow any single white paper. Not allow even watches. And in the video itself, they ask you to show me your mobile and stand and take that mobile and put in different room, and then you will come. They said like that only. Along with the laptop, you can go put your mobile in different room and come and sit. Don't stand until I say. Like that, they will say. Understand? Not at all possible. The things. Still, if you are doing means you are a master in that level. Okay. 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 Let's go to 15 minutes time. We can have a look. What is code quality analyzer? Guys, my developers, simple logic. I'm explaining all the DevOps tool means there is no the rule to use all the tools in project. Okay, all the tools in one project. Just I'm explaining only. May you will get chance to work on Sonar, Cube or Maven. We don't know. They may give only task in Terraform. They may give only task in Docker. Like that. You can ask question first of all. That's what I'm saying. One question, two questions. No, direct ask question. Okay. This developer, na guys, developed one code. Yes, there. Okay, developer developed one code. Okay, let me take a sample code. So I'm taking sample code, any code anyway. Clear now? So this code, guys, what you need to do? Okay, developed by code. Next, your process is what? So you can build, and if any test cases are there, you can test and release this code. Means where? Server by using Jenkins. Guys, here we need to understand two things. Test means what? Here we need to understand two type of quality tests. Code quality test. I'm not talking about test cases inside different test cases are there, smoke test and all. I'm not talking about that one now. Okay, not at all required. So at the time of build, the code inside they are written a test cases to test the code functional tests. Understand? But code quality, code functional test, both are different. Code quality means what? Here, ensure there is no username passwords. Ensure, I mean, security breaches. If you add any security related issues, for example, if your code quality weak means the meaning is what? Someone can easily hack. This is the meaning. Code quality is not good means what? Quality is not good means security maybe, yeah, hard coded values, username, password, database configuration directly or hard coding. And if you add in between any LinkedIn account, Instagram account URLs and all, what will happen? They can access your Instagram. With that, they can add your code also. I mean, no endpoints you should configure in the code, no hard coded values. Like ensure that code should be very clean and very quality. And for example, one more quality. 2 plus 3 equal to how much? Oh my God, you know Max. Instead of saying that, instead of saying that 5 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2, how much? Both are 5 only. But here is very straightforward, here is not straightforward. The whatever logics they are implementing, right? The logic should be a very good logics. Not like single print statement if they use 10 lines of the code is not good, right? Right or not? What I'm trying to say. So you need to write some sample Python code. Let me show you. Sample Python code for like A plus B. Addition. Clear, right? Clear, right? Both are same logic. But here number of lines of the code is more. If number of lines of the code more means, is there any problem? Problem is there. Python, how it will execute, line by line. If you're adding more lines, it will take more time, more CPU, more RAM, right? And it's that will take care of Python developers anyway. But what I'm trying to say, yes, very good. Performance issues also will come. And also, this code, see here, why it is, mentioning like that. Each function, each, the, yeah, comment line is there. Why ChatGPT giving us? For easy understanding, right? What block it does, what block it will work. Same, you need to also add some comment line to understand easily. And like in terms of quality and all, that can take care by SonarQube. You may get a doubt. So Veera, we are a DevOps engineers. How developers written code validated by us? If we know we can write a code, right? You may get a doubt, right? So we are a DevOps engineer. How I can validate this code if I have that much of knowledge, I can write a code, right? Yes, that's what we don't have knowledge on this area, but you know how to configure the tool automation process. Then what we can do? Take a one tool, apply on this code, configure this code. This tool will scan the code and give a report to you in terms of quality. Clear what I'm trying to say? Clear what I'm trying to say? For example, 1,000 lines of code is there. If I ask you to check the code, what you can see, if I ask you to check in this code, is there any string word is there in this code? What you can check? Line 1, line 2, line 3. No need. Go to Control F, give string, any object is, any word is there in the string keyword in the code, you can find out, right? So like this SonarQube will validate all the lines of the code and give report back to you. This report also you can share to developers only. You no need to check by you. You are just apply some scanning tool. That tool, what tool suggests, you can give to developers simply. That's your job only. And even the pipeline run by developers only, not you, while developing time. What you can do, you can give Jenkins. I will explain. Jenkins concepts are there. Okay. How to give specific job access, how to give, dashboard access and all. I'll explain. Not yet done Jenkins. Okay. Don't say all. Jenkins is done. Jenkins is done only 40% only. 60% concepts are there. Okay. Yeah. GitLab CI/CD also I will explain. Don't worry. But meanwhile, guys, do one thing. My suggestion is to all. GitLab CI/CD already took a session, right? Recording also available on YouTube. Go through that today. Nothing is there to perform here today, right? So today task is complete Terraform through GitLab CI/CD. Video also there. The document also there. You can easily understand. If I guess, for me, it will take 30 minutes to explain. But by seeing the document, by seeing the video, understand the concept, try to complete by yourself, you can see the confidence in you. Understand? Yeah. I think video also available on YouTube, right? So you can go through that today. Still, if you are facing any issues, prepare your questions for tomorrow from the GitLab, so that any questions you have, write somewhere. While doing this practice, definitely you'll get 5 to 6 questions. So make a list and ask me tomorrow while doing time. Okay. Yeah. So guys, and here SonarQube again. So SonarQube is what now? Code quality analyzer tool only. Okay. Code quality means what? Developers developed code. We can check the quality by using some tool. The tool is SonarQube. Yeah. How SonarQube can scan the code? So guys, SonarQube inside, default rules are there. You simply apply these rules into your code. Default rules means, for example, rule number 1. Scan hard coded values. Understand? Rule number 2. Just I'm writing example case. Rule number 2. Any duplicate lines are there. Understand what I'm trying to say? So like that already SonarQube inside this rules already configured. Simply SonarQube apply all the rules like that we have a for Java 600 plus rules are there. For Python 300 plus rules are there. For Node.js 100 plus rules are there. SonarQube will support almost all the programming languages. If the code is Python, you can create a Python SonarQube project. If it is a Java, you can create a Java SonarQube project. So if it is a Java, the 600 plus rules will apply on this code. Rule number 1, hard code values are there. If not there, it will skip that. Any duplicate lines are there. If not there, it will skip that. Like that 600 plus, if any abnormality. So here, for example, this, rule will be found something here. Deviation, something issue is there. Any rule violations are there. Immediately it will give the report. After complete the scanning. So this line number, there is a issue. And also SonarQube not only scan the code, it will give suggestions also. So line number 6, the code is like that. Better to go for like this suggestion. How to implement. So in this case, easily developers can improve their ability to write a code with help of these suggestions, right or not? Next time they won't do kind of mistakes, right? See, no developer can follow 600 plus rule to write any code, right? They will write a code. What happened? Okay, they will develop a code by following some actions. But in this code, these 600 plus rules following or not, that will check by SonarQube. These 600 plus rules are, you can also ignore few rules. You can create a custom rules. Custom rules means not possible to create a rule. We can change the 600 to 500 select rule. You can give the 100 only rules. You can give the 50 rules only. By selecting specific rule also we can apply. Not only apply all the rules. Like this process is there. Okay? Yeah. For example, if I give this code and if I give to you, check any duplicate lines of the code is there. What you can do, check line by line, no duplicate lines. If the code contains 1000 lines of the code, how difficult it is to validate by you? Any duplicate lines are there? But system will do. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, it will apply. But to do this process manually, it will take months and years, right or not? That's what we are taking a SonarQube. See, your job is to what? Configure, install SonarQube, configure into the Jenkins one of the stage. The next stage will be allowed to build and test. When we can use the SonarQube? You can use after Git first stage, after build test. Mostly we can prefer after Git. Okay. If quality is good, then go for build. Then go for test the test cases. Then deploy. Clear? Yeah. And SonarQube, we have a quality gates concept also. The quality gates, how it will work? For example, quality gates and next build process. So this quality gates, you can add some conditions. After applying a rules, for this is the source code. So these are the SonarQube rules. If you apply rules, it will find out something, right? SonarQube. So 3 issues are there. 2 issues are there. 1 issue are there. Here, if you create a configuration of the quality gates, this is complete SonarQube only, not separate. If issues are greater than 3, major issues are 3, Minor issues are 2. You can write a conditions here. If the major issues are greater than 3, na, this quality gates is give the error, validation error. If it will be error means what will happen? Next process will skip, right or not? When this process will run, build and test and deploy, once this process is execute only. Here if you write any conditions, na, this condition satisfied only, this will go for the next stage. But if it is fail based on the issues, this block will fail here only. So in this case, developers, what they will do, why this is not allowing, see in my quality gates, I have given issues are greater than 3. My manager is said issues are greater than 3, not allow. But your code, there is a 3 issues. Can you rectify that? Okay. What are the issues? See, SonarQube also suggesting this. You can do like this and like this only. So you do one thing, rectify the code and take approval from the manager or TL. So that if they said okay means, I will simply remove this condition quality gates. You can release even the code. Clear how this system will work? I'm explaining here. So tomorrow we can deep dive in this concept practically. Also we can see different conditions. It will take 2 days time to understand. Okay. So Monday onwards we can start Azure. Okay. So it will take 1 week time or more than also. Then we can jump to Docker and Kubernetes. Next Ansible. Okay. And yeah, now AI is ruling the world, right? Take care. Why I'm saying now, if you limit yourself, enough, Terraform is enough, Git is enough, I learned so many things. If you feel like that, na, the outside market, you know, the job security, if the person is having multi-skill set only, their job is only secure. Now, situation completely changed. Not like before. If I know only AWS, they will give job. If I know only Python, they will give job. Situation completely changed. Developers' roles are, you know, very easy now. If I want to write code, simple code is giving. Not required any configurations, right? But DevOps, at least I can say so many configurations are required. Understand what I'm trying to say? Python developers' job is what? Write a code only. But DevOps job is what? Configure so many things. No AI will give the configuration directly in the form of one code, right? That's what, no problem for DevOps engineers. Still, you can learn cloud. Cloud always give a secure for your job, guys. That's what I have added multi-cloud. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So we will work on to divide a teams, team A, team B, team C, team D. Please guys, once we divide a note down anywhere. Sir, I am from which team? This is not school to explain. You are team A, you are team B, go there home. It's not like that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.